Grabe ang sa Mactan, no?
Siya na po ng Mactan.
Asa man to na itong bridge nga? Taas gali guys, Cebu.
Cordova to kuan.
Oh.
Kaning diri sa Talisay.
Oh, okay.
Mga to ta jure muli ka.
Oh, sige. Ganun.
We were checking to see if there were some last-minute tickets to Alcatraz, the prison, but they're always booked out.
In 2 miles, take exit 2A on the left onto 5th Street.
Manakitag trolley.
Unsa to?
Trolley ba?
Ay o katubi to kuan.
Waymo? Katong walay driver.
Walay driver.
Ay, Waymo. The one no driver.
Oh, that's right.
Ano?
Is it safe?
Oh, safe.
I would hope so because they've made a business out of it, put it on a street for people, the public to ride in. They better be safe. I'm sure it would, I don't know, I think it would freak me out a little bit, but... See? You sneezed.
Pag naka sa airport sa San Francisco ba no, daghan ang Pilipino sa
Daghang kaayo na.
nangutan ako. Mas Pilipino man to kayo sa kuya.
Sa asab yan na sila pre. Sa asab ay mo mga kuan.
Continue
Kalahi.
straight.
Kalahi.
Then use the left 2 lanes to take exit 2A on the